Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read the book Shopping. Look, Chip is sitting at a table near a window. What's Chip doing? He is reading a biscuit recipe. In front of the recipe, there is a bag of flour, a tin of sugar, and a dozen of eggs. So, is Chip going to make biscuits? Let's open the book and have a look. Chip wanted some sugar. Chip wanted some sugar. Oh no, Chip wants to make biscuits, but they're out of sugar. Chip overturned the tin but found no sugar. It is empty. He went to the supermarket. He went to the supermarket. Wow! Foods of all kinds are arrayed on the shelves. Look, those are bags of golden icing sugar on the shelf. Those are bags of brown sugar on the shelf. What's Chip doing? He got some crisps. He got some crisps. So, Chip is picking crisps. What's in his shopping cart? Nothing. It is empty. Chip, quickly pick the sugar. He went to the shop. He went to the shop. He got a comic. He got a comic. Chip stands by a magazine rack. He is picking magazines. Dad is talking with the shopkeeper. Behind that, there is another shelf. There are types of sugars for sale too. He went to the market. He went to the market. There are stalls and groups of people. Dad is looking at his watch. It seems that he is in a hurry. The cut price food are sold on the stall beside Dad. What is cut price food? It means those food are sold at a lower price than normal. Look, there are types of sugar for sale too. Chip and Dad should buy sugar there. But Chip is totally attracted by the toy store. He got a ball. He got a ball. He forgot the sugar. He forgot the sugar. Oh no, that's too bad. Chip still can't make biscuits. Or he could return to buy the cut price sugar. That's all for the experience of shopping. Do you like shopping? Let's read the book once more. Shopping. Chip wanted some sugar. He went to the supermarket. He got some crisps. He went to the shop. He got the comic. He went to the market. He got a ball. He forgot the sugar. The end.